Very good morning. Meeting after a lot of gap, so many days. In this session, we are going to discuss how to find out maximum element of an array using recursion, using iterative method, and using dynamic programming method. These are the elements given. We need to find out the maximum of these elements. Function 1. Iterative 1. Function 2. Recursive. And function 3 by using dynamic programming method. Okay. Now in recursive, you need to give index of starting element. Say it is 0. Now print the answers. This is iterative solution. This is a recursive solution. And the last one is a dynamic programming solution. Right? Okay. Let's start writing the methods. The first one, iterative method, returns integer. This is iterative method. Takes an integer array. Now, let n is size of array. Let the result, the maximum, because all are positive numbers, let us start with 0. Now for I is equal to 0, the last index n minus 1, I increases in steps of 1. If R max is equal to maximum of previous maximum and the current element. Okay, that's it. Now return the maximum element. This is by iterative solution. Let us comment out the other two and run the code. System.out, sorry, array name is A. Maximum element is 14 by iterative method. Is that so? Yes, it is 14. Let us apply the second method. is also a static method, returns integer, and name is function underscore recursive. This is an array, and this I call as the starting element. The array size is n. Index of last element is n minus 1. If index is more than n minus 1 or index is equal to n, then no more elements left, return 0. Maximizing problem, so return 0. If you completely scanned through the entire array, I is more than n minus 1. Otherwise, find out maximum of the current element and the remaining elements. Is this clear? Find out maximum of the current element and the remaining elements and return it. Is this clear? If current element is bigger than remaining elements, we get AI. Otherwise, we get one of the remaining elements. Let us run it and see. I equal to n. Say n is not defined. But we compare I with n many times during recursion. Let us pass it as well so that you need not find it again and again. Pass length of array as well. This will help you not finding n again and again when recursion is on. So now there are three variables: array, starting element, and the array length. We can very well find it in the method itself, but that is repetitive. Should avoid repetition at any cost. Fun recursive. Yes, in the recursion call also you should mention n. It is 14. Now let us do it by dynamic programming method. Static returns integer. Name is dynamic programming method. Let us remove comment lines. Name is fun underscore dp. Input is array A. Okay. Now, let n is length of array. Create solution array of size n. It stores the solutions. Suppose this is array A. Three elements. What I do is I create one more array size 4. DPI is a maximum element up to index I. Up to index I. Up to 0, maximum is 2. Up to 1, maximum is 7. Up to 2, I need not worry about previous one. I compare with this. This is not maximum. So up to 0, maximum is 2. Up to 1, maximum is 7. Up to index 2, maximum is 9. Up to index 3, maximum is 9. What I do, I return DP3. Nothing but DP and minus 1. Okay. Now, maximum up to 0th index is array 0 itself. For I is equal to 1, 2, I less than or equal to n minus 1, or simply I less than n, I plus plus, DPI is maximum of previous maximum and the current element. That's it. Now, return the last element of DP array. Clear the difference? From previous, we find out the current one. We find out maximum every time. Here, we do it recursively. Two with remaining elements. 7 with remaining elements. 9 with remaining elements. Is this clear? This is recursion. Hope you understand it. Now, for 5 is 5 with f of, this is 0. Okay, now 9 versus 5, 9, 7 versus 9, 9, 2 versus 9, 9. That's it. Iterative, recursive, and DPA. So I hope you understand it. Thank you very much.